I think this car came out today. Came out. Alright guys, just opened. Got a little cloudy day. Some rain might be coming in. But we get to polish and headlight restore this little bad boy. Step one, get this bad boy all washed and prepped. Today, Big Jacob, Lil No Way. Alright Jacob, what are you guys doing right now?
Right now we're clay barring the exterior of the vehicle, get out all the contaminants in the paint that's there.
Alright, No Way, what are you doing right now?
Putting bleed is gonna chemically remove the iron within the paint. Make it easier for us when we clay it, decontaminate it, and polish it.
Now that we let it bleed a little bit, we're gonna clay bar it one more time to make sure that we get all those contaminants out and get it polished up. Alright guys, we got Jacob here. He's kind of degreasing this trim because we're going to do a trim restore on it. Down here it doesn't look like it's going to take very well, but we're going to try our best to make this car look as nice as possible. Alright, after those two washes, the clay bar treatments, and the iron removal, there's definitely no wax, no nothing left on this vehicle. This thing's sheeted up like crazy. Alright, as you can see, this paint is pretty bad. So, let's see what we can do. Alright, as you can see, this part has been polished, this part has not. With our 3NV1, it's definitely a big difference in clarity, gloss, and she looks good actually. Alright, now what do you think about this car so far?
Good, really good.
Yeah, it's coming out nice.
Perfect.
That's what we like to hear.
Not bad for a 92.
Look at that gloss. Alright, so we're gonna headlight restore these little bad boys. Hopefully they come out a lot better. There's some moisture buildup on the inside, so there's not much we can do about that, but we're gonna definitely try and make the outside a lot brighter. The headlights here, the turn signals, as well as the fog lights. We use a 4-step sanding process, then we do polish, or cut and polish. So hopefully they come out a lot better. We'll see how they go. Alright, so this one's polished. Told you there was a little bit of moisture inside the lens, but it's a huge difference. This one's got a lot more moisture than that last one, but definitely we can get that in or outside a whole lot brighter, just to match this one. She's gonna look really nice on the road, be able to see a lot more and a lot clearer. Headlights on point. All right, David, what are we doing right here, boss?
Oh, well, we got some water spots right here. So what I'm about to do is just put mirror and apply to these water spots to remove them. As you can see right here, I finished this one. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Gee, look at that. Clean.
Yeah. Squeaky clean.
Just trying to polish up that chrome to give it that little extra touch. What do you think, Noe?
Best we've ever done.
Headlights look good. Chrome grille looks good. Alright, I told you guys to stay tuned. This thing came out pretty freaking fresh. Headlights came out good. There's a little bit of moisture on the inside, especially on this one, you can see. But paint came out extra glossy. Chrome came out fantastic. Polished the windows up so it's like too shiny, too clean. I don't even like it. It's that. We got super lucky. It kind of cleared up. Sunny skies right now. Customer came in. They wanted this car polished. We were able to do our silver package, which includes that polish. We did a headlight restoration on the vehicle as well as a trim restoration. For a 1992 BMW, this vehicle looks sick. We're super stoked with how it came out. If you have a vehicle that you're looking to get polished up, trim restored, headlight restoration, or any of the above, interior details, we do it all here at Curbside Detail. Give us a call, give us a follow on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Hey, Noe, how do you think this job came out?
I'll be honest, I didn't think we were gonna do this great of a job. The paint was kind of trash when it got here, oxidized, kind of already gone. But we did a pretty good job to bring up the gloss, bring out the life back on this whole 92 BMW. So I'm pretty happy, pretty proud of the job. So we did good, brother. We did good here at Curbside.
All right, David, how do you think this car came out today?
It's nice.
Came out pretty good?
Yeah.
David approved.